Just like to start off with saying thank you everyone for stopping by the house to get candy. We literally had 0 trick-or-treaters. No, not a single one showed up. So now we have over 250 pieces of candy. And yep, she can't eat that much. That'd be bad.
I can.
Hey, so what are we gonna go buy today? What are we buying? No, not candy. No, that's your candy that you got. hey, so what are we buying today?
Reese's?
No, where are we going right now? Where are we going?
Wallabies?
No, what? I already told you where we're going. Where are we going?
Chicken cheese?
Oh goodness.
Which candy already?
We're going to Lowe's. That's where we're going. What are we buying at Lowe's, sweetie?
Candy?
Okay, I'm just gonna go show you guys. I'm just gonna show you. Obviously, she.
I know about that segment.
Yep. Nope. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you. Jeez, and what's crazy is she's not even had candy yet. We were going to Lowe's because the garage is about to become a paint shop. So the truck is over there, stripped down, besides the rear bumper. So now it's time to jump in the big truck, get them loaded up, and let's go get all the parts we need. Let's go blow a whole nother paycheck like I usually do when I show up here.
Yay.
It's just a very random question. If y'all can see that little yellow smart car right there, I've legitimately been thinking about this since I've owned a Power Stroke. Do you all think one of those can fit in the bed of this truck? I really want to make a video on trying to figure out if we can fit one in the bed. Let me know what you guys think without cheating and looking up the answers. So we have 2 different sections over here, and sorry for the echo in the garage. I'm not using my mic right now. This is the paint section, and here's the homemade paint booth section. But this is, the price for this right here is including taping off all the windows and everything on the truck. So it came out to $50.69. That is with all of the clear plastic that I'm gonna put underneath the truck and go ahead and drape from the ceiling and all that. I borrowed this fan from my buddy and his compressor. So that saves a lot of money right there, just having a friend that has a couple things that I don't have. Tape to tape everything down with the clear plastic and also the brown paper for the windows and everything. So for roughly $51 if you want to say that, round up a little bit, you can go ahead and have your garage completely filled. Here in a second I will jump to me putting it up, and I will fast forward it 500 times faster than what it takes me to honestly do it. But it is extremely cheap and simple, and we'll jump into this stuff also in the next video. But right here I have a $10 sprayer, or $10.94, free compressor. He went ahead and gave me this as well. He had a lot left over from where he basically did this same concept with his dad years ago and just was smart enough to keep all this stuff. This right here is where all the money is. I got your legit paint, automotive paint. So I'm trying to do the best I can for a first try home experiment. This is roughly $200 for this little setup here, which they did give me military discount. This stuff came with it. The box with the directions on how to do it and everything and the ratios. So $200, $50, $51, however you want to specify it. So for $250, I am getting all the paint and everything to make a home booth in my own garage. I started cleaning the garage to where it has everything starting to be nice, neat and organized. But I'll go ahead and finish up the whole garage real quick, and then we'll start going ahead and putting the walls, the flooring and everything to where you never have to worry about anything in your garage having overspray. here you go. Luckily, I wanted 12 feet wide, and that's exactly how wide this is. Granted, you can kind of see where I went on this side of it a little bit because I wanted to overlap just a tad and push the truck over to one side a little bit more so I have more room over here for my tools. But now we will get to closing the garage door and building all the walls. Now that I have the base down onto the floor, all I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out and make it the exact same length 2 more times. Left wall, right wall. Then I'll measure from the floor to the ceiling and then cut 2 of those the exact same size as well. Now it's just time to simply start making this wall, that which I can only go so far down until I have the vehicle in here to where I can go the rest of the way down because of the garage door. There's that part of the wall. Obviously, the garage door has to be down with the vehicle in here, and for demonstration purposes, for this video, I'm just going to show us pulling the Jeep in and using it because I realize I have a little bit more I need to do to the 1972 before I pull it in here. There's a lot more sanding and everything. I don't feel like putting it in here with all this stuff and then have to blow it all out of here with all that stuff. So anyways, we'll jump for the backside. Now is the extremely fun part of making it to where my wife has to use the front door and not the garage, and making her very upset with me. But anyways, all I'm doing to secure this to the walls, to the ground and everything is just simple 3M painting tape because I'll be using it later, so I bought way too much. So. Here you go, guys. This, I believe, gives you a pretty good concept of exactly what it's going to look like. It really echoes in here. I hope the mic's taking away the echo. But anyways, just 3M tape, tapes it all the way around. I have white ceilings. I'm not that worried about them, and I'm not going to be taking the spray gun and just flinging it up in the air. But anyways, we'll pull the Jeep in real quick to show you how much room you'll have around your general vehicle. Our Jeep is fairly large, so it'll take up more room than most of your all's vehicles. And then I'll shut the garage door and explain exactly how I'm going to leave this set up to be able to put this wall and have a fan for circulating the air out of here and all the fumes. I know it's a little hard to see right now due to the garage door isn't quite open to where, because it is getting dark outside. But anyways, all I'm going to do is I'm going to drape this from the ceiling above the garage door here, and then I will go ahead and have a cutout for the fan area, tape it to the fan and everything to where it'll be pushing all of that air out to help circulate a little bit better. And that's how I'm doing that to, minimize the fumes as much as I can for this cheap at-home setup for a paint booth. Now I'll go ahead and show you around the vehicle to see how much room we have. Quick trip around the Jeep here. Have quite a bit of room in here, and this Jeep is wider than the old truck is. So you have plenty of room to walk around the whole front side, be able to spray the proper distance that you're supposed to be spraying all the way around. And this side actually has a ton of room. I didn't pull it straight in the middle, which with the old truck in the next video when I'm actually painting it, I will do. And then you can see how much room there is behind the Jeep as well. Sorry guys, I did not show you the absolute finished result just yet. That will be in the very next video when I'm actually painting the truck. But due to I had to use the Jeep as a test dummy vehicle for right now, because I do want to do a lot more sanding and some other prep work on the truck while it's outside to where I'm not in an enclosed area. And I've already kind of got it set up because of the video. So that would just be a massive pain. But anyways guys, on the next video I will show you everything closed up and exactly how everything is functioning. And I guess we'll see if it works or not, because I will be painting the truck in the very next video here in a few days. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Stop by for the first time. Please subscribe. You all have a great day.